In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets from Ticketmaster on Viagogo. Before you list anything, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Ticketmaster tickets are actually eligible for transfer or resale. This is important because some event organizers place restrictions on whether tickets can be transferred to another person or resold on a marketplace. If your tickets are restricted, you may not be able to complete the sale later. So it's worth checking this upfront in your Ticketmaster account. Once you've confirmed that your tickets can be transferred or resold, go to Viagogo and either create an account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure you're using the correct account and that your basic details are up to date, since you'll need this account to manage the listing, complete delivery, and receive payment after the sale is finished. After logging in, click on Sell Tickets. From there, search for the event you want to sell tickets for. It's important to choose the exact event so your listing appears in the right place and buyers can clearly see what they're purchasing. Next, enter your ticket details carefully. You'll typically need to include the event name, event date, section, row, seat numbers, and the number of tickets you're selling. Accuracy matters here. If the details on your listing don't match the actual tickets, it can create problems for the buyer and for you later in the process. After that, set your asking price. As you do this, take a moment to review any seller fees shown by Viagogo before you publish the listing. This helps you understand what you'll actually receive from the sale, rather than just focusing on the price the buyer sees. When everything looks correct, publish your listing and wait for a buyer to purchase your tickets. At this stage, keep an eye on your account and any notifications, because once the tickets sell, timing becomes important. After the sale, follow Viagogo's delivery instructions exactly. If your tickets are mobile transfer tickets, log into your Ticketmaster account and transfer the tickets to the buyer or to the transfer email address provided by Viagogo within the required time frame. Be careful during this step because sending the tickets to the wrong place can delay or complicate the transaction. Once the transfer has been completed, confirm the transfer on Viagogo if required. It's also a good idea to keep proof that the tickets were successfully transferred, such as a confirmation screen or email, in case you need to verify delivery later. Finally, after the event has passed and the transaction is complete, Viagogo will send your payout using the